I'm going to show you how I made these denim beads. Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Let's get to it. First, I'm going to apply this denim to some wood, and I'm going to cut it on my Glowforge. So I designed the beads and I cut them out on my Glowforge. The beads are available for if you'd like to pick them up. I have a link in the description, so check it out. I'm applying white glue to this wood, and now I'm going to attach this denim, and I'm going to let it dry and then start to design my beads. I'm applying masking tape to protect the denim while it's in my laser. I have a Glowforge laser that I use. On the paper, you can see the drawings that I did of how I wanted my bead to look. And it turned out basically the same way that I imagined it. So I'm going to paint the sides. The front and the back have denim on them. And then I'm going to paint the sides a coordinating color. This is the last time you're going to see this little dirty bead board. I ordered one on Amazon, so please excuse this board. I'm adding beads to my design. Most of these are African bone beads. The black and white one is what they call a batik design, and then the blue ones are dyed bone. The two blue beads on each end are hand-painted wood beads that I painted. I'm stringing my beads on some leather cord, and it's pretty thin, although I made sure that my bead holes were going to be large enough for this leather. Except for a couple of beads, I had to extend the hole. But in general, most of the beads that I selected had holes that were large enough for this cording. That's always very important when you're beading, to make sure that your material is going to work. I'm going to make an adjustable closure by using a bead and I'll slide both pieces of the cord through the bead. You have to make sure that your bead is going to be, you need a tight fit. And sometimes it's because you need a tight fit, it's a challenge to get both of your pieces of your cording through the bead. But, I kept at it and got it done. There's a link in the description if you want to pick up these beads. They come unpainted. They're wood beads unpainted, but of course they have a good size hole in them, so you could use some larger cording. I'm really happy with the way that these came out. So check out the link if you're interested. If you're not subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. If you have any questions about anything that I did in the video, feel free to ask. I always answer questions and respond to comments. All right, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer with Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.